People will come and people will go. Emotions will come and emotions will go. Problems will come and problems will go. But there's one thing that will remain forever. That is how we reacted to it. How we react to any individual, how we react to any particular situation, how we react to a problem. That will remain forever. And that is the thing for which people will know us in future. So how we react do matters to us and to everyone else. So today's session is going to be quite interesting because we are going a little in depth of this concept, how reaction do matters and how it is the ultimate thing that you should think of. So one important announcement we will do at the end of this session. So what is reaction and how does it play such a magnificent role in our life? One thing that I would like to stress upon is don't take your life for granted. Life is not something that to be taken for granted. We all are here as a life for a limited period of time, and that limited period of time, that time span is unknown to anyone. We don't know what is next. So don't take your life for granted. That is the first thing that we must understand. And if we would understand this, that life is not to be taken for granted, then our reaction and our response to anything will ultimately change. If you could see life as it is, there will be a tremendous change within your personality and the way you are. We all are always planning to live our dream life, but we are never living that. We are always dreaming of our day should be like this. One day I'll smile like this, one day I'll do something like this, one day I'll be happy like this. But that day is not coming, and it won't come until we make it today only. Do whatever you think you could get, and then you feel that right now. Don't think that when you get this you will feel like that. It's never. It's right now you could feel that. It's always within you. The feeling is always within you. All the emotions that you could think that I will get or I'll feel when I get or do something, that is not there. That is already within us. All the chemicals, all the biological aspects of ourselves is already within us. It is only up to us that how or to what extent we could explore our own self. We can explore the best of our happiness within us without getting anything or without doing anything. We don't need anything or we do not have to do anything to be happy, to be satisfied, or to be. If you are regretting about your past mistakes or the things that you have done in your past, then stop and listen to one thing. Start fresh, switch on the best version of yourself. Be limitless. Don't think that this is the boundary, this is the limitation that we could do in a day. No, there is nothing. Open up yourself and explore it. Think that today is the day. Today is my day. There is nothing called good or bad day. It's only about my day or no day. If I think this is the day I could make it, you will definitely make it. If you think that partially I could make it, bro, then you will definitely partially make it. Think of it as I'm here to just explore myself. I'm here to make myself grow up, not to just do certain thing. I'm here to explore myself. I am here to explore the best version of myself. Today, this very moment, what I could do so that I could realize my potential, that yeah, this is what I could do. This is what I must do. Think of yourselves as you are the center of your life and everything revolves around you in a way to make you accomplish the things that you're planning for. So start living your day. Start being in the moment. And the most important thing is being in the present moment. If I am here to just read one book out, I'll be in the book. Do one thing today for which you will never feel regret in your future. Do one thing today only. People always think that we must be productive throughout the day. That is not the case. We must do at least one thing for which we won't regret in the next day. or at the end of the day, we must feel satisfied. So, if we start doing at least one thing that makes us feel satisfied, that we won't regret in future, that gradually and eventually changes into two things a day that makes us feel satisfied, that goes up to three things, five things, 10 things, and there will be days when whole of your day is passing with extreme satisfaction, with complete satisfaction. You feel yourself worthwhile. You felt that each second of your life is worth. So it's never about being productive throughout the day. Just be productive at one work. Just be productive at few moments of your day. And you will feel extreme satisfaction. You will feel complete satisfaction and worth it life. Make your life worth it. And that only comes when you do at least one thing that adds values to your life. Life is always about being true to yourself. Be always true to yourself. If you have been ever true to yourself, you could connect to that feeling that being true to ourselves is the best thing we could do to ourselves. Because when we are open to ourselves, a whole lot of world opens to ourselves. A, a positive ourselves flourish inside this body. The question rises, what is the thing that will make me happy or that will make me feel worth the day? So do such thing that can help you end this day with extreme satisfaction, with immense pleasure and intense happiness. And that leads you to a new true to yourself. And that could lead you to a new version of yourself, a true version of yourself. Be the best of yourself. Think that this is it, this is me, and this is my life, and I'll make it the way I am thinking, the way I am planning, the way my vision is. Thank you so much, guys, for your love and support. A lot of people have suggested me to integrate Hindi also in our sessions. So, guys, thank you so much for your feedback and suggestions. Friends, we have chosen English just because it's a little more formal way of communication, and I personally speak Hindi majority of my time, and I personally felt and believe that our Indian languages are far much better than any other foreign language, including English. So I personally prefer Indian languages and I just love them. And thank you so much, guys, for your support. So on this platform, we will be inviting different people as in guests. So they will come and share their experience and expertise for different situation. Like we will learn decision making, personal growth, personality development, and all. So we will invite people and they will share their thoughts and what would be their first step in the situation we are facing or in a similar situation we are gone through or in the similar situation we will be in coming days. So yeah, the series is coming soon and show your love and support to that also. And thank you so much, guys, for being here and showing your love and support to this platform. Thank you so much.